Thinking about GoHighLevel but not sure which plan to choose? Let's break it down fast and simple. Whether you're a business owner, agency, or SaaS creator, I'll help you pick the plan that gives you the most value. By the end of this video, you'll know which plan fits your needs and how to get started. Let's dive in. Price: $97 a month. Full access to core features: CRM, automation, SMS and email marketing, pipelines, and more. Great for solopreneurs and small businesses. If you only need to manage one business, this plan is perfect. All essential tools included: funnels, forms, calendars, workflows, and email automation. Main limitation: only one sub-account. You can manage just one business. Who is this for? Freelancers, solopreneurs, and small business owners. Anyone who only needs GoHighLevel for one brand. Perfect if you're just starting out and don't need multiple accounts. Bottom line, if you're managing just one business, this plan has everything you need at the lowest cost.
First, let's start with the $97 a month plan. The thing I absolutely love about HighLevel is there's no gatekeeping for 99% of the features. So you've got everything in the CRM included basically in the $97 a month plan. The only catch with this plan is that you only get one HighLevel sub account. So you could only run one business through that, whether that's one client or whether that's your own business. That's it. Second,
price: $297 a month. Unlimited sub accounts. Manage multiple businesses or clients. White label options. Customize the platform with your branding. Rebill phone and email costs. Pass expenses directly to clients. SaaS mode enabled. Sell GoHighLevel accounts to clients. Great for agencies. Limit: markup on rebilling is capped at 1.05x. You can't charge much extra on phone.SMS costs. Who is this for? Marketing agencies that manage multiple clients. Consultants working with different businesses. Entrepreneurs who want to resell GoHighLevel as a white-labeled SaaS product. Bottom line, if you're running an agency or need multiple client accounts, this plan gives you the flexibility to scale your business.
it. Secondly, we have the $297 a month plan. This one's amazing because it gives you unlimited sub accounts, and every single one of those sub accounts has all the features of the CRM. The other difference with the $297 a month plan as compared to other plans is that you can rebill phone and email costs to your clients. So this is a $297 a month plan agency account. And when I click on enable here, you'll see that I'm able to convert this to SaaS mode. And then once you've added your customer's card information inside of their account, you'll be able to enable the resale settings. However, you won't be able to mark it up. You have to upgrade to the $497 a month plan to go above the default 1.05. So that
price, $497 a month. Fully automated SaaS mode. Clients sign up and get their accounts automatically. Advanced API access. Integrate with external tools and build custom features. A/B testing and analytics. Optimize funnels and marketing campaigns. Agent reporting and AI conversational bot. Advanced automation for customer interactions. Higher rebilling margins. Unlike the $297 plan, this lets you charge higher fees on SMS email costs. Who is this for? SaaS entrepreneurs who want to resell GoHighLevel as a product, agencies that want a fully automated client onboarding system, businesses that need deep customization and automation. Bottom line, if you want to scale a SaaS business or need advanced tools, this is the best plan.
So that brings us to the holy grail, the $497 a month plan. If you're just looking at GoHighLevel's website, you're not going to see this $497 a month plan. I think it's because they focus on upgrading people to this plan after they've already been sold on the core features of the software. So the main thing that's different about the $497 a month plan is automatic sub-account creation, also known as SaaS mode. So what this allows you to do is set up a website where they can check out And then once they check out, it's automatically going to create a sub account loaded with automations, whatever you need your clients to have, and it's going to create a subscription for that particular account. So in addition to those very cool features, you also get access to their advanced API, which if you're running SaaS and you're really serious about it, you probably do want access for some custom things that you might want to build into there. For other people, it's not as relevant, but it is only accessible in the $497 a month plan. Next up, you can do split testing on the $497 a month plan. So be able to compare one landing page to another landing page and declare a winner. This is one of the only features that they gatekeep inside of the $497 a month plan, but it really would only apply to you if you're running a lot of traffic where split tests on landing pages are super important to you. Next up, agent reporting. You'll be able to see individual agents, how many people they've called, how many they've closed, how many messages they've sent, etc. And then lastly, the AI conversational bot, which I would say is probably the most enticing feature outside of the automatic sub account creation. But if you're not doing SaaS, you may upgrade to $497 just for this feature. So
Let's quickly compare the main differences so you can make an informed decision. $97 plan, YAR1 sub account, all core features. Great for solopreneurs. Limited to managing one business. $297 plan, unlimited sub accounts, SaaS mode, rebilling. Perfect for agencies and consultants. Limited markup on rebilling 1.05x. $497 plan, advanced SaaS features, API access automation, best for SaaS businesses and advanced automation, allows higher rebilling margins. $97 plan SARCs solo entrepreneurs and freelancers. $297 plan SARCs agencies and marketers managing multiple clients. $497 plan SARCs SaaS businesses and advanced automation users. Still not sure? Ask in the comments, I'm happy to help. Like, subscribe, and comment for more GoHighLevel tips. Thanks for watching.